Making homemade applesauce with your kids is a fun and rewarding activity. Here's a simple recipe that's perfect for little helpers. Start by gathering 4 to 5 apples, a lemon, a cinnamon stick, and some sugar. Begin by having your kids help wash the apples. Once clean, peel, core, and chop the apples into small chunks. This step might require adult supervision depending on your child's age. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the apple pieces to prevent browning. Now place the apple chunks into a large pot and add just enough water to cover the bottom. Add 1 cinnamon stick for a hint of spice. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the apples are soft. Remove the pot from the heat and take out the cinnamon stick. Allow it to cool slightly. For a smoother applesauce, use a potato masher or blender to achieve the desired consistency. Now your kids can help stir in a tablespoon of sugar or more to taste. Let the applesauce cool before serving. This homemade applesauce can be enjoyed warm or cold and makes a great snack or addition to any meal. Enjoy the time spent together and the delicious results.